it's Ayanna. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So today I'm going to show you how I make my hair spray mist. It can be used as a refresher to refresh your hairstyle if you're a natural hair girl, or even if you're a relaxed hair. And it can also be used to just sealing back some moisture in your hair if your hair is feeling dry and thirsty, you don't feel like you want to rewash your hair right away. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys quickly using these ingredients that I have back here to show you how I make my hairspray mist. One moment please. Okay, so the first ingredients I'm going to add is the aloe vera juice. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the rose water. And going to use some avocado oils. You can use whatever oil you want to use. Some glycerin, vegetable glycerin. And some lavender oil. 10 to 12 drops. And let's go ahead and close this up. Shake it all up. And there you go. So this mist is actually good. As I explained the purpose of using it, I will go ahead and use this to refresh my hair. And there you go. So it's quick and easy. You don't have to use a lot of ingredients. You just use what your hair likes or what's good to refresh your hair, keep the moisture in your hair, and that's it. Okay, hope you guys had enjoyed it. Let me know if you do use hair mist in your hair. Do you buy or do you like to do DIYs? I love doing DIYs. It's cheaper, and you can use what your hair like, and you know how to manage your ingredients. So let me know down below if you use hair mist in your hair. Will you be trying this out? Hope you had enjoyed this quick DIY. Thank you for stopping by, for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.